Okay, went out in the garden today. We're supposed to get some heavy rain overnight tonight, so I want to pick stuff early before they go bye-bye burst. Anyway, I got two more strawberries, sweet peppers. We're gonna cut them up early and freeze them, and green bell pepper. Tomatoes, they will ripen, as he said. I just don't want them burst open, then I have to throw them away. These guys are ready. These are great tomatoes. Then I have 3 cherry tomatoes, one more in here. Jalapeno hasn't been that great this year. They should be popping up like popcorn, but they're not. I heard somebody else on YouTube having the same problem. Pepperoncini, I was putting these in pickle and vinegar, but I think what I'm gonna start doing too is freeze them, chop them up and freeze them, rings. These are hot yellow peppers. So I'll just let them, stuff I want to chop up, I'll take out this bowl, and the rest I'm gonna let it set in there. You can see some bug holes in this already. I have to make sure there's no bugs in it when I chop it up. And this is stuff here I had yesterday in that calendar. Cherry tomato, they're ready. These here did look like the other ones. A lot of green and yellow on them. But now they're ready to be cut open, eaten. Pepperoncinis. And yellow hot pepper. I'm talking about they're hot too. And that's what I done so far. These I picked yesterday. Haven't done nothing with them yet. So these I picked a few days ago. They're still waiting to be ripened. This one here, pretty darn close. Not this one here. I could put them in a paper sack. Maybe it might speed it up. But they're doing okay just sitting here because I don't want them rot on me. I do want them to get well. And we use it for BOTs, hamburgers, and stuff like that. So I hope you like what I have so far. I'm trying to keep making stuff. Okay, this is the strawberry I picked today and the last few days. And we're using Twinkies instead of shortcake to see how it is. I heard it was good that way. Tastes the same as shortcake, actually.